I'm going to be working on is stands for these sweet little mummies that we got a few days ago. I'm going to build some stands. That's my project. And while I'm doing that, Laura's going to be babysitting two kidlets. Enjoy them. Let's jump right into this. So the tools that you're going to need for this project are going to be a miter saw. I'm using a Kreg jig, which I'll show you how to use it. You got your drill. So I got 12 2x2s because you need 2 2x2s for each stand. And I have some black exterior paint, Valspar, and 2 paintbrushes, 2.5 inch pocket screws for the Kreg jig. I bought 2 packs of 50, and then I have my DeWalt inverter, so I don't have to run extension cords like that. I also have some scrap 2x2s because I want to test to make sure my Kreg jig is right, but also you got to make 5-degree miters on the end for the flower stands. So I want to test them out on some scrap before we start cutting the good stuff. You can find dimensions and different stands on YouTube. I found these online, so I'm going to put the link in the description below so you can build these yourself. So let's get rolling and start building these. This Kreg jig set's pretty easy to set up if you're trying to do any type of pocket screws. I bought this for about $80. I forgot when, but I use it all the time. Come on. Now that we got all 24 legs cut, which is 6 stands total, we're gonna shorten 2 of them so you get that elevation look. We're gonna shorten 2 of them. We're gonna go from 31 1/8 all the way down to 25 or 24. Either way, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut a couple of them down to that size. Cut 1 2 3 4 5 6. The fun part, sanding. Not really. Hey, where you going? Target. I don't feel comfortable at all. I hate pre-cutting material. Just in case, I kind of got a little sloppy. I took as much time as possible, so hopefully they all turn out. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill the pocket screws and get one built. Just one, just to make sure everything's okay. I'm hoping, I'm praying, everything's gonna be good. Here's the test. Here's the leg. So 5-degree, 5-degree. We got our cross. So there's the 10.5 and the 4 3/8. Center of this is gonna be 5 1/16, because you wanna make sure this is right in the middle, otherwise it'll look weird. So that looks about even. What do you think? I think so. Now we got the pocket holes all cut on our cross. Now we're gonna measure 1 inch down from the top of the leg to rest this. There it is. Look at this. Not cool. All right, I know what I need to do on the next 5, but it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. 1 down, 5 to go. All right, we got all 6 done. Now we're on to paint. So we got 4 tall boys, 2 short ones. Lincoln, do you know the proper way of calling your chickens in?
No.
Carter, do you know the proper way of calling the chickens in? Here we go. See that? That's how you do it. There's one. See, when Dad calls, they come running. Look at that. They know Dad equals food. Look at it. They're chick warriors. See that? Are you done?
Yeah.
Let me see. I'm coming to examine it. Show me. Oh, dude, really good job. I think you should get one more. See the missingness right there? Right there.
How you get it?
You just gotta dab your stuff in. Good job, though. What about you, Carter? Oh, you're taking your time, looking good. Grayson, good job. There's mine. We're on to the next one. Got 2 more. Second coat is complete. All 6. Winston, how are you? Glad to be outside. Chicken's taking up your time. Here we got our mums. These ones are blooming really good. We got 4 good ones. And then we got 6 deathly ones. Look at that guy. You know the reason why? You know the reason why I didn't water you guys for a week and a half, and this is what happens. This is what happens when Dad leaves to go to work. Those guys love life. How many do we got? You have 2. I like them. Good job painting. Oh, those are 2 tall boys. 2 tall boys. How many you got? 2 tall boys.
Is that all of them?
Troublemaker number 1 and 2. We have the flower stands built. Hey, what's wrong? Oh no, she's angry. Sloan. She's been like this all day. Here, you braced up. This is what you wanted. Right here. That's the ticket. That fixes everything, doesn't it? So here's the stands. I made 6 total. So 2 tall ones based off the design, and then I shortened one up to give it that look. Because it'd be weird if they're all the same height. But easy, low cost. You can do it with your family like I did it with my kids. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all the thumbs up, the subscribes. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I appreciate it. And I'll check you on the next video. Thank you.